But the other thing I wanted to get into was the crypto tax, because that's the soup du jour today, right? So I'm sure a lot of the returns that people are doing right now and calculating their crypto transactions are going to come out to have losses. But this is another piece of really good, valuable information and it's different when you're involved with the traditional finance stock market and you're trading stocks and you have stocks that are at a loss. A lot of people, what they were doing, like it's at the end of the year, like around close to December 31st, they were selling that stock for a loss, and then they would buy it back in the following year, thinking that it might go up again. So the IRS put a stop to that, said, no, you can't do that. And they put a wash sale rule in place, meaning that if you sell a stock, you can't buy it back for 30 days.
Whoa.
So that eliminated that. But in crypto, you can. It doesn't apply to crypto. So a lot of people were probably down on a lot of their positions. I know I did. I harvested a bunch of losses because I had a ton of positions I was holding that were way down. Like there was some of them were like 80, 90% down. I'm like, well, I winded up selling them right at the end of the year. And then I bought them back like January 2nd or 3rd, pretty much at the same amount. And then I harvested those losses. So that right now, I mean, I'm sure the IRS is probably going to come up with a rule to like plug that loop, that
a loophole.
that loophole. But for now, take advantage of it.